CoinMonk is a robust crypto platform designed to provide a range of features for crypto enthusiasts. As you first enter the site, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive layout. The homepage provides an overview of the most popular cryptocurrencies with real-time price tracking, ensuring you have up-to-date market information at your fingertips. You can easily navigate between the different sections of the site, including coin listings, news, and analytics tools. CoinMonk also provides detailed charts, helping users track trends in the market. The dashboard is straightforward and simple to use. You can create an account quickly, and once logged in, you're presented with personalized insights based on your preferences. The platform supports multiple cryptocurrencies, allowing for seamless management of your assets. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, CoinMonk's easy-to-use interface makes it ideal for anyone looking to get into the crypto market. Additionally, CoinMonk offers several unique features, such as automated portfolio tracking, which is useful for users who want to keep an eye on their holdings without manually updating the numbers. There's also an educational section that helps newcomers understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrency and trading. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As you explore the site, you'll find that CoinMonk is focused on security, with advanced encryption and two-factor authentication options for added protection. Whether you're using the mobile version or desktop, CoinMonk ensures your experience remains secure and hassle-free. With tools like market sentiment analysis, price prediction charts, and more, CoinMonk makes it easier for users to stay on top of their crypto investments. The platform also keeps users informed with the latest news from the world of cryptocurrency, providing insights that can help guide your investment decisions. If you're looking for a platform that offers transparency, functionality, and an easy-to-navigate interface, CoinMonk might be just what you need. Its range of features, combined with its intuitive design, makes it stand out from many other crypto platforms in the market today. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced investor looking for powerful tools, CoinMonk provides everything you need to manage and grow your crypto portfolio. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more crypto reviews. And don't forget to like the video if you found it useful.